Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevrolet Traverse hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your vehicle, typically on the driver's side near the floorboard. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a click, and the hood will pop up slightly, indicating it's unlatched. This initial step is quick and easy, getting you ready for the next part of the process. Now move to the front of your Traverse. The hood is slightly ajar but not fully open. Carefully reach your hand into the gap, right above the grille. You're looking for a small lever or tab, which is the secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open accidentally while driving, so it's an important safety feature. Once you've found the secondary latch, you'll need to either push it to the side or lift it up, depending on your specific Traverse model. While holding the latch, use your other hand to lift the hood. It should now open completely. This step requires a bit of coordination, but it's straightforward once you get the feel for it. You're almost there. With the hood fully open, look for the prop rod. It's usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Take the prop rod and insert its end into the designated slot, which is typically marked. Make sure the hood is stable and securely held open before you begin any work. This ensures your safety and prevents the hood from accidentally closing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.